Hey there knowledge keepers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a custom link to your website's menu in 2023. Whether you are running a blog, business or just want to personalize your site, this simple step will help you direct visitors to any page you want. Let's dive in. Number 1. Log into your website's admin panel using your username and password. Number 2. Navigate to the Appearance or Customize section depending on your website's platform. Look for the menus option and click on it to access your site's menu settings. Step 4. In the menu editor, find the section where you want to add the custom link, such as the main menu or footer menu. Step 5. Click on the Add Custom Link button. Step 6. A new input field will appear. Now paste the URL of the page you want to link to. Step 7. Next, provide the name of your custom link. This will be the text that appears on your menu. Double check the URL and name to ensure they are accurate. Click on the Save or Publish button to add the custom link to your menu. And there you have it. You successfully added a custom link to your website's menu. Now your visitors can navigate to the page you specified with just a click. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips on website management and design. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.